Hey everybody, welcome back. It's finally warming up. The Bermuda's waking up. We're gonna have to kill the ryegrass really soon, but why not get started on making the soil better than it has been? A while back I did a soil test. I got the results back. Everything looked pretty good. Just basic upkeep. However, I did have to throw down a little bit of lime that we're gonna see here in a minute. Topping off that lime application with an application of RGS, Air8, and DThatch to kickstart things for this growing season. Let's take a look. Let's take a quick look at the soil test before we discuss how much lime I put down. So here we have it. It's pretty good, not bad. I ran this by several people in the know. All of them said, hey man, looks good, keep doing what you're doing. Then I had the opportunity to drop it off with John Perry of Greene County Fertilizer and Law Oncology. He took a look at it and he suggested something. The soil test was buffered at a 6.8 pH. Mine was just a tad bit lower than that. So he suggested 20 pounds of dolomitic lime. I actually ended up applying 120 pounds of lime across my entire yard. So I went a little bit over the 20 pounds per thousand, mainly because I didn't want a half-used bag of lime sitting in my shed because I don't have any space. Getting it all filled up, at least halfway, so we can start mixing in some of this fantastic. Okay, so the minimum rate, according to this label down here at Air8, is going to be 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So I'm gonna need 30 ounces of this bad boy for the minimum application. I got a little bit left in here, but I got some more tucked away. You wanna shake it up. There's not a whole lot left in here, but we just gotta fill this bad boy up to the top. So I'm back with my supplemental supply. So we got to finish topping this guy off. There we go. Seal this back up nice and good because I want to keep it fresh. Bam. Okay, next up we're gonna rock down the DThatch. This here is also going for a 6 ounce per 1,000, so we're gonna do 30 ounces of this stuff. Oh yeah, looking nice. And now finally, ooh, thought I had more of this stuff than I do. So let's go ahead and we're just gonna go again with another 30 ounces of this. That'll be a fantastic way to kick off the growing season. Oh man, it smells great. Now, very carefully, there we go. Now let's finish filling this tank. There we go. We're all capped off. Now, make sure my valve's closed. We're going to get this tank agitating a little bit. Rocking it a good steady 50 psi going through there. Give her a little rocking back and forth too while we're at it. Okay, so there we have it. I just threw down some fantastic products with my fantastic sprayer that you can figure out how to build by clicking right up here in this little information thing. Big thank you to Greene County Fertilizer, John Perry, the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. So until next time, hey, I'm Real Low Dad. Things are waking up here in the backyard. No more St. Augustine for me. It's gonna be all Real Low Bermuda from here on out the rest of the season. Main focus is getting the Bermuda real low, real green, and real excellent. So hey, until next time, we'll see you.